Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi, and I hope you are doing well. Today in this pattern, I used nested for loop to draw this pattern because it is a column wise pattern. So firstly we create a nested for loop, and nested for loop is a loop in which outer for loop inside inner for loop, that is called nested for loop. So firstly we declare two variable for outer and inner loop. So we declare two variable, that is I and j, and I is a variable that is used for move the outer for loop, and j as in variable that is used for inside for loop. So firstly we create outer for loop, and we takes three parameter to create the outer for loop. Firstly we initialize the variable that is I equals to 1, and check condition if I less than equals to 5, and I increment to 1. And inside this outer for loop we create inside inner for loop, and firstly we initialize j variable. So firstly j initialize to 1, and check condition if j less than equals to I, and j increment to 1. And inside the inner for loop we point j modulo 2, because j is a variable of inner for loop, and because it is a column-wise pattern, so we used j variable to point using pointer function, and outside the inner for loop we used backslash n for cursor to the next line when point each row. So if you have any doubt related to this pattern, you can ask me anytime, because it is the easiest way to draw this pattern. And in this pattern, it is a very important pattern for mock interview and campus placement. So like, share, and subscribe our channel Genius Dipanshi, and thanks for watching. If you have any doubt or query related to this pattern, you can ask me anytime. So thank you so much, and thanks for watching, and move ahead, and all the best for your future.